Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Subaru Legacy Lancaster all-wheel drive. It has the 3.0 six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 29,834 miles. It does come with 4 doors. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle, and it comes with a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, or the dash of the vehicle. All right, the number that you're seeing down here, 48,014, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 29,834. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away once you start the car. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle now, starting on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.